This is my Ken Onion Edition Work Sharp Knife Sharpener, and I absolutely love it. So far, I've gotten done with step 1 on the wife's kitchen knives. The 2 knives that I carry every day are my Leatherman, and when I'm not at work, my Kershaw pocket knife. I'm going to take you along as I sharpen this and show you just how easy this sharpener is to use. So it comes with this awesome little guide. Everything you need is right here. There's a bunch more paperwork in the case, you know, all sorts of instructions, manuals, what have you. It comes with extra belts. I'm still on the first set of belts. Granted, I've only sharpened a handful of knives. On the handy chart, you'll see that kitchen knives get sharpened at a 20-degree angle. You'll see that pretty much everything else in the everyday carry category gets sharpened at a 25-degree angle. Changing your angle is as easy as spinning this knob right here on the back of the machine. I had it set at 20 because I just did all the kitchen knives. There we go. We're now at 25. And all that does is change these guideposts. It tilts them in and out in relationship with the belt to get you the right cutting angle. It has a variable speed, which you set by depressing the trigger and turning this red knob. And right here is the trigger lock. Also, on the chart, you'll see it tells you which belt to use and how many strokes to use that belt for. Well, let's just assume this is a 3-inch knife. You want to take 3 seconds to get from here to the tip. 1 second per inch of blade length. Now, since this knife is super dull, we're going to do 2 strokes on the coarse paper, 10 on the medium, and 10 on the fine. I didn't mention it before, but you'll obviously want to do the same amount of strokes on both sides of the blade. There we go, 2 strokes on both sides of that. And my Leatherman isn't nearly as dull, so we're going to skip this first belt. All you do to change the belt is to press this wheel up. Oh, it's easier from the back. You pull this wheel up, and you can just slide the belt right off. So we are done with the coarsest belt. Put that aside. And on the chart, it says X22 is the next blade, or I'm sorry, the next belt. You can see it says X22. It even says medium on it. I find it's easiest to get it on the bottom 2 first, and then slip it over that top one last. Oh. There we go. Yep, it's in place. Now we'll do every single knife for 10 strokes, then we'll go to the finer belt and repeat the process. Before I go back to the kitchen knives, all I've got to do is turn this dial on the back to where 20 lines up with the mark on the top. It's that simple. Now I'm ready for kitchen knives. Now for the fine belt. There we go. And I'm going to start with my carry knife again, so we're going to go back to 25 degrees. It's that easy. Like I said, this thing is so simple. Anybody can use it. Woo. sharp. And here we have a finished product. You can see it's got a nice shine to it. It's a uniform depth the whole way along the blade here. Now you can see as I run my finger across it, the knife grabs my finger and falls off. That's what I'm talking about by sharp. If it was dull, your fingertip would just slide right past the knife and it wouldn't grab it whatsoever. That's how you know you got a nice sharp knife. Ken Onion Work Sharp Knife Sharpener. Highly recommended. Go out and buy yourself one. You'll be glad you did.